Hello. In this video, you will learn how to connect lamps and switches. In the illustration, you have lamps numbered 1, 2, 3, and 4, and switches numbered 1, 2, 3, and 4. And we have the source. Source can be from a battery or a generator, and it has a positive and negative terminal. So we have the conductors, the wires are used. So what we are going to do now is to lamp number 3 controlled by the switch number 4, and the lamp number 4 controlled by the switch number 3. First we are going to do is to connect the negative terminal to supply the loads. From here, supply should not be connected here, so have it at here. 1. Then into the second, then should not be connected. Supply. So you already have your supply from the source to the lamp number 3 and lamp number 4. And it's a terminal to the switches. To switch number 3, and then to switch number 4. Now we're going to connect this lamp number 3 to switch number 4. Should go this way. Switch number 4. Now, how about the lamp to connect it with switch number 3? So I just have to make a line here, then not connect there, then not connected, and connect. And now you have lamp number 3 controlled by switch number 4, and lamp number 4 controlled by switch number 2.